So hi guys, welcome back to my video. So we're gonna sing Sarang Golay Lipat. Sana maka-join kayo sa akin. At ang pangalan ko lang, Bubbles Cutie 2016 because 2016 that's what I baby like that. Just wait a minute. Cannot wait. So, oh, that was close. Sana nandito yung kaibigan ko, si Jojoy. YouTuber din siya at TikToker. At isa na din ako doon. Madami akong subscribers doon eh. Kaso bigla na ban yung kwan ko. Yung YouTube account ko. Kasi nagpaayos kong cellphone. At so, sana mag-subscribe kayo sa akin. Napares lang yung pangalan ko. Yung Bubbles Cutie or Curie. And 2016 that the Bubbles and Cutie bubble in first in Cutie just underline in the 2016 just put in Cutie. So that's why. And like I'm gonna sing anything that I favorite sing. So let's go. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Saranggol ay lilipad sa kahel ng kalangitan. Paalam nga ba sa ating nakaraan? Ngunit saan man tayo hipananamihan? Hindi mapapalit ang ating mga kaibigan. Okay lang ba yun? Parang mali eh. So let's sing anything that's music. Okay. What that I'm gonna sing? Let me just think a minute. Just wait, okay? Because I'm gonna think. I'm just not gonna talk a minute. Because I'm thinking. Don't mind that song. That's